Hi, I'm Warren from Gutter-Vac. I want to show you the different options you have with Gutter-Vac. You have a trailer, you have a van, and you have a truck. Obviously this is the van. Very important in the metro area. People prefer the vans because they can't back trailers, very narrow footpaths. They're a great option for the city areas. But they come fitted out the same as with a Gutter-Vac trailer or the truck does. All the equipment's the same. We fit a hose reel here. It's got 60 metres of hose on it. Still has the same storage drum. And I'll take you around the back and I'll show you the storage that's in the back of this unit. Okay, so this is the back of the van. As you can see, it's got an enormous amount of room, so you can carry a lot of debris. In the drum is where the vacuum unit goes, and this comes with every unit. That's where all the debris goes off the roof. So off the roof comes your sludge and your mud and the high nutrient product that come out of the gutter. All the leaves are broken down. So 30% of our clients reuse that product and put it on their gardens as fertiliser. It's absolutely brilliant. So it's a great way to be environmentally friendly. The drum can bring out to the edge. We've got a ramp here that goes down. You use a trolley to move it around. We carry our own fuel for the motor, and we have our own filter. The filter's to stop any airborne products or any contaminants getting back into the atmosphere, and it catches it all in the filter. So why don't I show you the power unit? Come around this side. We drive it with a Honda motor, very reliable motor, very powerful. We drive our own turbines that we manufacture ourselves. They're very strong, they're very unique, and we keep them quite secure because franchisees have made large investments. The equipment has to be powerful to get the debris out of the gutters and down into the drum. So this whole power unit is unique to Gutter-Vac, and it's in all of our units. Okay, that now completes the van tour. Thanks for joining us.